This video is going to be all about the top 7 side hustles in 2025 that actually work. So if you're looking for some new side hustle ideas, or you just want to see what is trending right now, this video is for you. I've been doing some research on what are the best side hustles that people are currently doing, and also what are some upcoming side hustles that will be trending in 2025. And so I wanted to share those with you guys today, because I think these are some really good opportunities for anybody who is looking to make some extra money on the side. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. The first side hustle on our list is freelance services. This is a very broad category, but it includes things like offering your services as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. You can offer your skills in things like writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, virtual assistants, and much more. The second side hustle on our list is e-commerce. This is another broad category, but it includes things like dropshipping, print on demand, and selling digital products. With e-commerce, you can start a store from anywhere in the world and sell products to anyone. The third side hustle on our list is blogging. Starting a blog can be a great way to earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. You can start a blog on platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. The fourth side hustle on our list is social media influencing. If you have a passion for social media and you have a knack for creating engaging content, then this could be a great side hustle for you. You can grow a following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and then earn money through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. The fifth side hustle on our list is content creation. Similar to social media influencing, if you enjoy being in front of the camera and creating content, then this could be a great option for you. You can create videos on topics that you're really passionate about, and then monetize your videos through advertising and sponsorships. The sixth side hustle on our list is online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a certain area, then you can start an online coaching or consulting business. You can offer your services to clients all over the world through video conferencing and other online tools. And finally, the seventh side hustle on our list is online surveys and microtasks. This is a great option for those who are looking for a flexible, easy-to-do side hustle. There are many websites that offer paid surveys and microtasks, such as Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker. So those are the top 7 side hustles that I think are great options for those looking to make some extra money in 2025. But there are also some general tips that I can give you for finding success with any side hustle. First, it's important to find something that you're passionate about and that you enjoy doing. If you're not enjoying what you're doing, then it is going to be very difficult to stay motivated and to put in the hard work that is required to be successful. Second, it's important to do your research and to develop a solid plan. Don't just jump into things blindly. Take the time to learn about your chosen field and to develop a plan for how you're going to achieve success. Third, it's important to be persistent and not give up easily. Success doesn't come overnight. It takes hard work and dedication to achieve your goals. Don't get discouraged and just keep moving forward. I hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas for your own journey to financial success. Remember that anything is possible if you set your mind to it and are willing to put in the hard work and dedication required to achieve your goals. Good luck, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, if you want to accelerate your learning and go from zero to a hero in the business and the finance world, we've got some wonderfully crafted mini courses that are literally going to blow your mind. Check out our courses today. See you soon.